Traditional pyrolysis equipment operates in harsh conditions, with high temperatures, corrosion, and wear being major concerns. During the condensation process, high-temperature oil and gas cause viscous substances to accumulate on the inner walls of pipes and equipment, leading to severe blockages. This requires frequent shutdowns, with cleaning done manually or even through dangerous methods. This is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and impacts production. Traditional production processes heavily rely on experienced workers for tasks like feeding material, monitoring combustion, adjusting settings, and maintenance. Not only is this labor cost high, but there is also the challenge of finding replacements for experienced workers. These issues directly result in low production efficiency, high operating costs, and a short equipment lifespan. To address these problems, we have adopted automatic temperature control technology for the reactor, eliminating thermal stress damage to the reactor body caused by sharp temperature fluctuations. This significantly slows down the aging process of the equipment under sustained high temperatures, making the core components stronger and more durable. Additionally, our oil and gas anti-polymerization condensation technology effectively prevents the accumulation of viscous substances. This not only ensures continuous production but also completely avoids secondary wear and corrosion caused by manual pipeline cleaning, thereby protecting the lifespan of the condensation system.